students, Rajendra here with new topic belong to child health nursing, and today I would like to discuss about the modern pediatric. As you know, in the traditional practices, the pediatric is not an individual or independent specialty. As the knowledge of the needs of the children increased, at that time it became and exist as a specialty, and it gradually enhanced day by day. Concept of child care, the main focus on the prevention of illnesses or promotion of health rather than the treatment of illnesses or treatment of diseases. And in this lecture I would like to focus on the healthcare in child health nursing, shifting from traditional practice to the modern practices. Now I would like to start the main points. And if first of all, I would like to talk about the traditional practice. In the traditional practice, we mainly focus on the disease of the child and we treat the child according to the disease condition. And in the modern concept, according to the modern concept, we provide the comprehensive care to the child, and the care mainly focus on the child centered. And in this, we involve the family too, so that the child feel comfortable during the treatment. Talk about the next step in this. As a health professional, we discuss the family if they neglect the female child, if they do not provide the special attention to the female child. But in the modern concept, we provide the special care to the female child because we know that the female child is the future mother and the future of the nation depends on her. According to the next step, if we talk about the women care, we starting the care of the women when she became pregnant according to the traditional scenario, and according to the modern concept we starting the health education to the women before conception and provide guidance to the women regarding the maternal health before the conception. To the next step, we provide the special care to the sick child in the hospital. Now according to the modern scenario, we provide the comprehensive care to the child from the day of conception throughout the stages of his or her life, from early neonate, late neonate, infancy, then toddlerhood, preschool, school age, and adolescent. Next step in modern pediatric, if we talk about the traditional practices, we in this we provide the care to the child in the hospital in isolation according to the physical condition or according to the illness of the child. And in modern scenario, we provide the holistic care to the child and family involved in this. We provide the care according to the family needs, and the care totally depends on the family, and it is family centered care according to the modern scenario. We provide care to the child according to the illness, and our care totally devoted according to the disease, and it is a disease oriented care. In the modern one, we provide the health promotion care to the child. We provide the care so that the child do not suffer from the disease. According to the modern scenario, we allow one parent with the child when he or she admitted in the hospital, and we provide the flexible visiting hour. But in the old scenario, the visiting are very rigid, and the parents are not allowed with the child while they are taking the treatment from the hospital. We provide care to the child, but our care totally depends on hygiene or disease oriented. But in the modern scenario, our care totally depends on warmth and love oriented, and the modern concept is very suitable for the child as comparative to the traditional one. In traditional practice, we provide care to the child according to the needs of the child and provide only the hygiene related to the disease condition related to the needs of the child. But in the modern scenario, we provide the quality care to the child in terms of play, recreation, and nutrition. Last point of the modern pediatric, we are going to discuss about the traditional practice. Traditional practice based on the only practices. It do not have any kind of evidence based on the research, but in the modern practice we have evidence based practice on the child which are more beneficial for the parents, for the child, for the health promotion of. I hope you have understand about the concept. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much.